So here at Ketchie, we're a job shop. We machine parts for the agriculture, textile, heavy equipment, industrial equipment, and railroad industries. A lot of our differentiators are really taking it seriously that this is a big responsibility. I do look at precision machining as the backbone of manufacturing. It starts with us. There's a great responsibility to be the most cost competitive, highest quality part producer out there. And so we look at, feeds and speeds, cycle times, setups, how we're investing in machines and technology, even front office operations to make sure that we are doing everything we can do to be competitive to support manufacturing in our country. Our general philosophy on the shop floor is to always buy the best made machines out there. No matter what, which is Mazak's, and run the heck out of it. We make these decisions for the long term. We're not making short-term decisions. So we recently bought a Mazak 6000 with a pallet tech system, and it's been pretty incredible to see us be able to absorb inspection and handling time on parts while the spindle's running. The spindle uptime has been incredible.
They asked about having multiple pallets or a pallet pool. Knowing that they already had an HCN 6000 machine and adding on later on, it seemed a natural fit to have a pallet tech system instead of a standalone pallet pool. That way they could grow the system, so you're not dedicated to just 6 pallets on one machine.
The pallet tech systems allowed us to set up multiple jobs, anywhere between one job on all 6 pallets or 24 different jobs on there to keep everybody happy. It's let us hide all of our check time. It's pretty much kept the spindle running at 100%. 99% of our programming is done on the floor by operators that's been trained here in-house.
I started doing gear shapers, so I was cutting teeth. And then you kind of moved on to where you could run a CNC machine, and then gradually you start going over Mazak, you start going through setups, and now you're pretty much, I'm an independent. You can pretty much do everything on the floor.
With the Mazak program, I can have my operators go from the 1987 machine that we have, because we have 6 generations of controls in here right now for the lathe. But the guy can, program the 1987 and walk from it and go to the 2019 with a smooth G control on it and be able to program it as well. It's a very sweet thing to not have to move it from one area to the next, and you can just get a part out of the machine that's complete.
What I think differentiates us from our competition is our people. It's our team here. Watching our team live out our core values of being agile and always doing what is right and embracing continuous improvement that inspires me every day.